Okay, now we're gonna, now hang on a minute guys, we're gonna do something here. No, wait Cody.
There.
Whoa! No, oh God.
We had a train wreck.
Yeah, hey guys,
How
you
did
can't
that
turn it on like,
Things on I
here
changed.
like this. Watch Cody. Look, now you push it. You up. Okay, now it's Cody's turn. Here.
My turn.
Peekaboo.
Okay, Caleb's turn now. Okay, it's empty.
You playing peekaboo?
Now we're gonna get out here and take these culverts off.
Cool. Can I do that?
Now, you're gonna have to take turns here.
I'm gonna do it.
What's that down the corner of it?
Mountain.
Oh, is that what it's on
Big thing.
the
Say hi, Ned.
The other part of it, I gotta get repaired and won't work.
Say hi, Ned. Cody, do you like this? Yeah. It's fun to play with the trains. Isn't it nice when you share?
Gotta take turns. No, you don't have to hold it, Caleb. Just leave it run.
She's had days where she's
after it's like pouring down rain, she's go.
yeah.
Sometimes she'll turn it off now.
Under her
Turn it off. You gotta turn it off.
Oreo.
No, I'm not done yet. Okay, Cody, turn this off. Alright, now, okay. Let's get down and run
Now, what are you
another
doing?
train.